Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to update images using Contentdrips API. So I'll be sharing few cases, and in those cases I'll be explaining like how to label your image, how to update them, and how your structure for API payload changes. So this is the first case. We have 4 slides, and in the output for this case we want 4 slides. So it's equal number of slides. Even though in Contentdrips we do have an option where you can create more slides, even if you have like few slide carousel, you can create maybe 10 or 12. So it basically does it by cloning the second slide. So this is the thing you should keep in mind. So for in this case, like we want just equal number of slides based on our template. So you want to update this first image in API payload. So you have two options. In this case, like you can maybe label them custom as first image, and if you add a custom label, it will consider it as a content update thing. So as you can see, like it is getting that first image. It is also getting the image URL as well. And in the same case, like you can label it as standard image. So basically this means like this is the image for the first slide, and in this case you will be noticing like it will fall into the intro slide image thing. So let's say in the second case, like we want to have image on each slide, right? And in this case, like we want to create more slides through API. For example, if we made 4 slide carousel here, I can create maybe 8 slides carousel through API. So what it will do is like it will clone the second slide. So in that case, you need to add a label of image on each image object. So in that case, like it will automatically clone it from the second slide, and it will automatically like update it. So in this case, like if you look at the code, you can see like intro slide has an image, and then if you look at the other slide, there's an image tag on it and the image thing on it. And what you can do is like you can add more items in it, and it will automatically create new slide by cloning the second one, and it will update that image. So this is how it works. So on the first and last slide, you can use a content update thing as well. It's up to you. It's really flexible. Like you can add a custom uh, label to it. It will make it as content slide. So like let's say this is the image I want to have on my last slide. I can maybe give it a label of content, maybe ending slide image. So then it will treat it as a content update thing, because content will never duplicate the last slide, will keep it as it is. So this label will be unique, and I can update that image. If you look at here, you can see the content update thing is added with the label of ending slide image. So it will first update all these images, and then it will duplicate slides to fit in your content in case you want more slides in the output than what your template currently has. So this is how it works. And maybe one more thing I can share is like some people might find this useful, like Contentdrips, like it offers like clipped images as well. So you want image to appear in this circle, so you can add a circle shape or any SVG object, and then you click on this fill icon, and maybe I can add an image from Unsplash just to show a mock-up of it. So here you go. And now I can label it as maybe, yeah, image, right? Because this for this carousel I want a different image for each slide. So now like if you look at, it has image label. That means I need to pass the new image from here, and it will update it. So if I add more item image, it will duplicate from this slide, and it will update that image. In case you're not passing the image, it will remove the image from the output. So yeah, this is how it works. And if you have any question or feedback, you can always let us know, and I will be looking to hear more from you guys. Bye.